Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best 140mm PC case fan on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Noctua NF-A14 140mm PC case fan to see why it's a top choice for silent and powerful cooling. Let's get started. Product features: exceptional cooling performance. The NF-A14 delivers strong, consistent airflow optimized for cases and radiators, keeping your PC components cool even under heavy gaming or workstation loads. Ultra-quiet operation. Designed with advanced blade geometry and flow acceleration channels, this fan minimizes turbulence, ensuring whisper-quiet performance during everyday use. Multiple versions for flexibility. Available in PWM, FLX, and ULN versions, the NF-A14 lets users choose between automatic speed control, manual tuning, or ultra-low noise operation. Premium SSO2 bearing technology. Noctua's SSO2 bearings provide exceptional stability, reduced friction, and long-term reliability, making this fan ideal for 24/7 systems. Square frame design. The square frame ensures perfect compatibility with 140mm mounts and water cooling radiators, delivering focused airflow exactly where it's needed. Anti-vibration pads included. Integrated anti-vibration pads reduce resonance and mechanical noise, resulting in smoother and quieter operation even at higher speeds. Durable, high-quality build. With a reinforced motor hub and premium materials, the NF-A14 is built to last for years while maintaining consistent cooling performance. Pros: extremely quiet even under load. Excellent airflow efficiency, multiple variants for different needs, long lifespan with premium bearings, ideal for silent and performance PC builds. Cons: higher price compared to generic fans, no RGB lighting for aesthetic-focused builds, signature Noctua color may not match all setups. Final thoughts. The Noctua NF-A14 140mm PC case fan sets the standard for silent and reliable cooling. Whether you're building a high-end gaming PC or a noise-free workstation, this fan delivers premium performance you can trust. Silence, power, and reliability all in one fan. Check the price link in the description and see if the Noctua NF-14 is right for your build. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more amazing tech reviews. See you in the next video.